Right, guys, welcome everybody to this new episode of the Chugging Chronicles, episode number 3. I'm here with my friend Javi.
What's up?
Today we have a new suspect, which I'm very particular about old fashions, you know that. And along the years, I perfected my recipe. So I was at the local liquor store, and I came across this.
Yes.
So it caught my attention a lot because, first of all, it says that it has Angostura bitters itself.
Is that supposed to be the syrup too?
I think it's like it's meant to be the syrup and
With
the bitters,
bitters.
and it says it has some cherry juice and the sweetener, whatever. But it catches my attention that it says Angostura bitters itself, like they use Angostura bitters, and there's no high fructose corn syrup, none of the ingredients that I don't like using, and says it contains 14% juice, and the recipe here calls for 1 ounce of this with your 2 ounces of whiskey. Like usual, I think we should do rye because I like rye.
Yeah.
And we should just put this baby to the test. What do you think?
I'm here for it.
I mean, you want to have a little taste of it first and see what.
Yeah, I want to see if this has more of a juice quality to it, or if it's more like a syrupy kind of consistency.
I'm very intrigued by this because I would never myself buy something like this. I mean, but you know, this show is meant to be for people that don't want to deal with things and they just go and get stuff.
People who just want to throw shit
Well,
together.
sometimes they just want something quick and it's there at a party or something, and you know, see. Oh.
So it's more like a juice. Yeah.
It is very much like a juice. For me, there's like almost no bitters in it. You know what?
Yeah.
I personally think that most bartenders are scared of using the right amount of bitters.
Yeah.
And that's where they lack. They're old fashions, but let's put this to the test.
It's a lot sweeter too. I think
It is sweeter.
The cranberry juice is very prominent in it.
I don't think there's cranberries. It says
Or not
cherry.
yeah, cherry juice.
Orange. It says, hold on. Cherry juice, Angostura bitters, no, orange juice too. Let's see. It says to do 1 ounce. So let's see. 10. And as usual, we're gonna go for Old Forester rye, 100 proof. Great juice, guys.
Juice.
Yeah. Always put enough ice on your mixing jar. That way you get not too much dilution, well, just enough dilution, and chill it. What I'm trying to say is that you chill it more than you dilute it.
Yeah.
Basically.
So you do have to fill it to the top when you do it, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
So you want to get our glass with the clear ice ready?
Yeah.
Your call will be answered in the order it was received.
Let's see how this goes. I'm scared.
You're scared?
Look at the color.
It looks a lot like
like the color is super light, nothing like an old-fashioned should look like.
yeah, there's no darkness to it. It doesn't feel like it's like
Let's at least make it pretty with the proper orange peel and the cherry. So honestly, my hopes and my expectations are very low right now. But so we'll see. Got our orange here and our cherry. Okay. Who should go first?
I think you should go first. I wanna see your reaction to this before I go for it. Okay, that's a very strong
Get outta
reaction. I mean, it doesn't have like the body of like...
It doesn't have the bite that you need from the bitters. So rye, it has this, because it uses rye as a secondary grain. It should be spicy and cinnamony and delicious, and it should pair very well with your bitters. So I feel like the bitters are lacking.
Yeah.
The sweetness is lacking. I don't know, man.
It doesn't even have like a good sweetness, like how like like the sweetness is very artificial in this one.
So I think it's lacking a lot. I wonder if we can fix it a little bit.
I think we should add more bitters to it.
Let me see if, because we have our blend of old-fashioned bitters, which is, I like using, I've used orange and Angostura bitters. So let's see if that fixes the problem. And maybe just a little, like not even quarter, like just like a little dash of, like that, of sugar. Give it a little. Let's see. See, that tastes more like an old-fashioned, even though I feel like this really damaged our product.
Yeah, this has more of that...
The bite that I'm telling you.
Yeah, like you feel it at the back of your tongue when you drink it. When you drink it with that, it literally tastes like drinking juice that have rye.
Yeah, and it's very, very bland, I would say. So I don't think this makes a chuggable drink. I mean, it's funny to say that old-fashioned would be a chuggable drink because you never chug an old-fashioned, but...
Yeah, but it's like a very, like, this is something that you do, like you said, at a party where you have no ingredients. If you don't want to craft it well, I think...
I mean,
I
people
actually
would
don't...
just...
Yeah, like, I wouldn't even want to use this simply because it just doesn't give a good product. Like, it has like a juice taste to it that doesn't have, like... I mean, you could drink it. I wouldn't chug it, though.
No, I wouldn't enjoy this.
This is something I would leave somewhere. I leave the cup somewhere and just wander off and forget about it.
Yeah, well, guys, there you go. This is the first one that we determined that
it's not really chuggable.
So,
it doesn't give a good result. It doesn't give you an old-fashioned. It gives you
watered down
juice
tasting whiskey weird thing.
Yeah.
So anyways, guys, thank you for joining us.
False advertisement.
What is that?
False advertisement over here.
False advertisement. Well, thank you for joining us, guys, and in this new episode. Let us know if you want to see anything. Like always, leave a comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.
Bye.
Peace.